Welcome to JM Learning Academy, English Spoken, 30 vocabulary and 30 sentences. Topic 9, Names of Birds, पक्षियों के नाम. Part 2, D-O-V-E, Dove. Dove means कपोतक या पंडुक. L-O-V-E-B-I-R-D-S, Lovebirds. Lovebirds means praying पंछी. G-R-E-A-T-G-R-E-B-E, Great Grape. Great Grape means महान पनडुब्बी. D-O-D-O-B-I-R-D, Dodo Bird. Dodo Bird means डोडो पक्षी. G-A-N-N-E-T, Gannet. Gannet means gannet. G-R-E-E-N-G-E-D-T-E-A-L, Green Winged Teal. Green Winged Teal means हरी पंख वाली टील. H-O-A-T-Z-I-N, Hodgkin. Hodgkin means Hodgkin. T-A-I-L-O-R-B-I-R-D, Tailor Bird. Tailor Bird means दर्जी पक्षी. M-A-C-A-W, Macaw. Macaw means एक प्रकार का तोता. S-O-N-G-T-H-R-U-S-H, Song Thrush. Song Thrush means गीत thrush. R-A-L-L-I-D-A-E, Rallidy. Rallidy means rallidy. R-O-A-D-R-U-N-N-E-R, Roadrunner. Roadrunner means चैपला पक्षी. P-A-S-S-E-R-I-N-E, Passerine. Passerine means एक प्रकार की गोरैया. N-I-G-H-T-J-A-R, Nightjar. Nightjar means छप्पा. A-V-O-C-E-T, Avocate. Avocate means avocate. B-A-L-T-I-M-O-R-E-O-R-I-O-L-E, Baltimore Oriole. Baltimore Oriole means Baltimore Oriole. W-E-A-V-E-R-B-I-R-D, Weaver Bird. Weaver Bird means बुनकर पक्षी. Z-E-B-R-A-F-I-N-C-H, Zebra Finch. Zebra Finch means zebra finch. W-A-G-T-A-I-L, Wagtail. Wagtail means wagtail. B-L-U-E-J-A-Y, Blue Jay. Blue Jay means blue jay. यह एक पंडुक है. This is a dove. वह एक प्रेम पंछी है. That is a lovebird. यह एक महान पंडुब्बी है. This is a great grape. वह एक डोडो पक्षी है. That is a dodo bird. यह एक गैनेट है. This is a gannet. वह एक हरी पंख वाली टील है. That is a green winged teal. यह एक होड्जिन है. This is a hodgkin. वह एक दर्जी पक्षी है. That is a tailor bird. यह एक प्रकार का तोता है. This is macaw. वह एक गीत थ्रश है. That is a song thrush. यह एक रैलिडी है. This is a rallidy. वह एक चैपला पक्षी है. That is a roadrunner. यह एक प्रकार की गोरैया है. This is passerine. वह एक छप्पा है. That is a nightjar. यह एक आवोकेट है. This is an avocate. वह बाल्टीमोर ओरियोल है. That is Baltimore Oriole. यह एक बुनकर पक्षी है. This is a weaver bird. वह एक zebra finch है. That is a zebra finch. ये wagtail है. This is wagtail. वह एक blue jay है. That is a blue jay. Thanks for watching. And upcoming video, Names of Birds, Part 3.